Meaning of herring gull.
Herring gull.
Herring gull.
Herring gull.
Herring gull. The herring gull, Larus argentatus, is a large, white-headed gull found mainly in coastal regions of the northern hemisphere. They are named after their preferred food, herring, but also eat a variety of other fish, crustaceans, and insects. Herring gulls have a distinctive appearance with a gray back, white underparts and yellow bill with a red spot. They are known for their loud, distinctive calls and often gather in large groups to feed or rest. These gulls play an important role in marine ecosystems, helping to control populations of smaller fish and marine invertebrates.